So the first cell has finished its testing routine. You can see the amps and the volts in the graph here. Gives us an end result on this particular one of 24.3 amp hours, which I'll note on the battery, and then I'll move on to do the second cell. So I'll just move both of these to the left, and there we go. So when it comes to time to fit these cells, if they're going to be fitted into another battery, it's very easy during this process just to change this final voltage here, or there's a separate routine that I can run manually which just drains the battery down to a specific voltage, which is best set to be the average of the volts that's in the pack that's being repaired. Clearly this one's a little bit too tired to go back for road use, but this does come up with some of these cells are good enough to use again in other batteries to help repair them. I've actually got one in my car at the moment that's desperately in need of one 30 kilowatt hour cell, but quite clearly I'll pop a module in. Once I've tested them all, I can find a good strong module and then away.